Happy Wednesday, guys. It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to yet again another video. And you saw the title today. Cheers, by the way. I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in. We're going to break down SoFi stock, do an update on the charts, my thoughts, of course, what I'm looking to do and where I see it going in the short term. But first, of course, hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks for a moo. Once you open up your account using that link down below and deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below, or again, go to stasurfest.com/moo. Get your stocks. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So it's almost 1 p.m. right now on the East Coast, and we have SoFi pretty much at break even, trading at $16 and about 65 cents per share. And you guys can see we opened up at around $16.85, 90 cents, give or take, a couple cents there. And then we ran to about $17.20 in the first 5-10 minutes of trading. And you guys can see pretty clearly we've been making lower highs since this morning. You guys see that pretty clearly. And now we're actually getting this triangle right here, which now we can see it. In hindsight, it's starting to play out. You guys see lower highs were made into that support at about 1675, and now we're falling through that point. So on the intraday, we are up a little bit, but we have been creeping into the red over the last couple of minutes here, and now it looks like, we might be going towards maybe not all the way to the low from yesterday. We hit $16.17 yesterday at about noon on the East Coast, but we could start maybe trading lower 16s, low mid 16s now that we're seeing this descending triangle play out. But guys, come on, in the grand scheme of things, when in doubt, pull the chart out, open up some different time frames. When in doubt, when in doubt, zoom out. That's what I was going for there, guys. Couldn't put my finger on the saying there. But when in doubt, zoom out, guys. We're still looking really good. Obviously, yesterday we took out the highs from the last couple of months, weeks, years for that matter, as we hit $17.33. Then we cooled off yesterday. You guys remember that we sold off, and then we rallied into close. And mind you, notice we held a higher low as we rallied into close there, and we didn't take out the high from yesterday with this rally that we saw today, which kind of puts SoFi, guys, take a look at this, in a wedge. Do you guys see the wedge right here? This is the 5-day, 5-minute. If I draw it out, boom, you guys see that? Pretty clear as day. So we're still making higher lows, guys, even where we're at now. This is technically a higher low, but at the same time, since we failed to break out of yesterday's high today, that put us at a lower high, which puts us in this wedge. Higher lows, lower highs being made. So what direction is SoFi going to pick? Does it fall through the bottom of the trend line here? Maybe start going down to the lows from yesterday? Do we take out the low from yesterday? Or do we rally back to the top of this wedge, $17, $17.10, and maybe we break out? And if we break out of the highs from today, the intraday high being about $17.15, $17.20, that's where the ultimate breakout could be coming. If we take out the high from yesterday pre-market, $17.30, man, this could really start pushing maybe $18, $19, $20 per share. So we're going to have to be patient, guys. As of now, we are now in the red. We are starting to dump to the bottom of the wedge here, but we're not necessarily breaking under it, right? We're still looking pretty good. Holding support here, holding the wedge at about 1650, 1670. So let's see. Let's see if we bounce here and start rallying. Ideally, man, we bounce here and rally into close. That'd be ideal for the bulls. And I mean, even more ideal would be if we take out the highs from today, which I don't know. We might have to wait till tomorrow for that, or maybe the day after that. But either way, guys, look, the intraday, we're selling off a bit here, but we're starting to get a bit of a rally off 1660, 1670. So let's see if that fully confirms and starts popping up here. So yeah, at this point, guys, on the 4-hour, we're obviously looking very bullish. Like I said, when in doubt, zoom out. We can see overall directionally, guys, that triangle that we talked about is playing out. If I get this, triangle drawn out again, we called this out over the last couple of videos, which is why you guys have to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure to do that because 75% of you watch the content, but you're not subscribed, and that needs to change. So make sure to subscribe. Linked down below, guys, or not even linked. The button's right there. You freaking see it. Hit that red button, guys. I appreciate you guys. But look, the triangle we called out, boom, that played out yesterday, or started to at least. We broke to 1730. Now we pulled down. Yesterday we did. And then we maintained the resistance as support yesterday. And now we're doing the same thing. We're holding above 1650 as support, which is a good sign. So if we use the resistance here which is now support of this triangle, if we use this as a launching pad, that'd be, in my eyes, a confirmation of a breakout or the continuation of a breakout. And from there, we might be going towards that $17 mark again, 18, 19, 20. Who knows? I'm actually curious where you guys think it's going. Let me know in the comments down below. But as of now, guys, 1 o'clock East Coast time, that's what we're looking like. We have some green in the indexes as well, some red, so it's not like a crazy green day for the stock market. Pretty kind of day overall. And SoFi is looking pretty as well. But we are getting some good signs here that we're still above 1650, which was a big resistance. Now it's looking pretty good that we're holding it as support. And of course, we'll do another update, guys, probably tomorrow. So again, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. And let me see. And oh, by the way, join the email list. Almost forgot. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every Monday for free. That is linked down below in the description box. Guys, get in there. It's a no-brainer, man. What are you waiting for? So yeah, that's what we're looking like. I mean, there are some other stocks moving. I don't know why, but Nikola today, I don't know what the heck's going on. And honestly, I don't even know why the stock's on my watch list still, but it's up 19%. I don't know why, but Nikola is the most green stock on my watch list. We have Nvidia and Palantir moving, which we'll do updates on those later today, guys. So stay tuned for that. It looks like here we have stocks like AMAT moving, Applied Materials. Let's see. Micron is moving up around 1-2%. They're reporting earnings after the bell, I believe, today. So keep your eyes on Micron. MU is the ticker over the next couple of hours here, guys. Very critical. Disney is continuing to move. We're at $114 a share, up about 1.5%. This actually looks like it could be a nice bounce play, recovery play, relief rally play, whatever you want to call it. Disney went down from 119 to about 110, 6%, 7% sell-off. It looks like buyers now are coming in right above the 180 SMA at about 109, 110. Now we're at 114. We're starting to pop. We're breaking out of the 50 SMA as well on the 4-hour chart. So maybe this is gearing up for a breakout past 118, 119, maybe higher than that. So I like the way Disney's looking here, guys, for a nice swing trade setup. And yeah, we'll wrap it up here. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. I'm curious. Let me know your thoughts in the comments about SoFi, the stock market. And by the way, guys, I'm just holding on to my SoFi. I'm not buying more here, nor am I selling. Let me know what you guys are doing in the comments down below. And don't forget to get your free stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account using that link down below and you deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks. And guys, overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, it's a no-brainer. The clock's ticking. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. Get your stocks. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.